This is how to delete a message or conversation on Messenger. The first step is to tap on your Messenger app installed on your Android or iPhone. Once it opens, tap on the chat you want to delete a message from. So here, let me work with this guy, my UR of YouTube. So I'll tap on it. It's one of the guys that runs some ads that tell people what is not true about YouTube. That's by the way. Now, let's say I want to delete this message I have here, his message. So I will long press on that message and select more. Then I will tap on remove. All right, it says remove for you. I will tap remove for you. Okay, I'll tap on remove button again and it is gone. All right, so let's say I want to delete the one I sent to him. I will long press on the chat, then select on send. Okay, then I will select on send for you. Then I'll tap on send. Okay, it is gone. Are you getting that? So let me go back. Let's say I want to delete every conversation I have had with somebody on Messenger. Once the Messenger app opens, long press on that conversation, just I have done right now. Then I will drag up so that I will see this delete option. I will hit delete. Then it says delete the entire conversation. I will tap on delete. So you see, this guy's conversation is no longer on the list of conversation I have had with people. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.